So I picked up this chain, KMC chain, and I want to bring in some of this pink into the rest of the bike, kind of integrate that more. So I got a hot pink chain, what I think will look killer. It was either that or white, and I think it's already got enough white with this, white with that, you know, all the little accents. I think it needs a little more pink, and so I'm gonna go ahead and do this chain install. So let's go ahead and get that going. Okay, got the chain off. Brand new chain. What brand is this? KMC. All right. So I went from a KMC brand new regular old chain, silver chain, to a KMC pink chain. So at least I'm staying within the brand, right? All right. So I went ahead and broke the chain off at the exact same measurement. So this should be the exact same length as the old one. And now, just so you guys know, this is one of those quick connect chains. It comes with a little like linkage, but I'd rather just go ahead and use the chain breaker, just do it properly. Not that the other way is not proper, it's just you're gonna have that silver link, and I'm just a little OCD. I want it all to be one continuous pink chain without that silver link. So I know, being weird about it, but so yeah, I mean, I got the chain breaker, why not use it? So I'm going to go ahead and add this chain, and let's get this thing properly aligned. All right, so got the chain on, just putting the final little touches. Whenever you put a chain on like this, it's sometimes a little stiff, and you just got to get the pin just right, seated just right, so that it is loose and flexible. That looks good to me. Yep, I'm okay with that. And now we just gotta get this bad boy seated correctly. Maybe too tight. Maybe let's try that instead. It might be a little tight. And right. Almost. And we're on. All right. One continuous chain, no silver weird ass links. Yeah. That's it. Loving it. And let me take a step back. And I like it. I like it a lot. All right. So already, I think it looks much better. It's bringing that pink from here, from the little stickers, the little touches, and bringing it more into the components, which I like. And yeah, that's just the start. We've got a long way to go. All right. Still more to come. Like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.